He didn't touch that time.
I think Joe's protesting the game, or at least protesting that move to get it on record with New York.
Joe's making a pretty good point here. I do believe he's making a good point. And Doolittle did not touch the ground on that pitch.
Are they going to do a rules check? We might have a rules check here, Joe, with New York.
You're right. I mean, you're right. I don't think he touched. Did he touch here?
I think on one of the last two he did. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. That was the last pitch, and that's when Madden came out for the second time. This feels like a Monday morning conversation, not a Saturday night in the ninth inning.
They do have a night game tomorrow, so they don't have to rush. If you got a 1 o'clock game, maybe you treat this a little different.
Well, the Cubs were told in spring training that the Edwards move was okay, and then it changed in the first series of the season. He got rid of that motion.
See, I have a problem with that. How can you tell a young man that something's okay, and then when the season starts and he's been working on it all spring, that you tell him he can't do it? See that little tap there?
And more pressing is for Sean Doolittle, because if he is told he can't do it, what happens here? Does he just slide step?
I say, can we have Strasburg back? Can we have a re-entry rule?
There you go. So
protest.
The protest has been lodged by Joe Madden.
These guys.
Bryant pops it up. This should do it. Howie Kendrick makes the catch, and the Nationals get a much-needed win